In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Helium 10 account. If you're looking to step into the world of e-commerce or perhaps enhance your current online selling strategies, Helium 10 could be a brilliant tool for you. We'll walk through the entire account creation process today, step by step, to ensure you can easily get started on this platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Helium 10 website. Simply open up your web browser and enter the URL www.helium10.com. Once you're there, you'll land on their homepage. Don't get overwhelmed by all the information available. For now, we're just focused on setting up our new account. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button that says Sign Up for Free. Click on that. This is your gateway into the world of Helium 10's tools and features. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to the sign up page. Here you'll find various methods to register for an account, but in today's guide, we're going to use the Google sign up option because it streamlines the process and minimizes the number of new passwords you need to remember. So go ahead and click on sign up with Google. You'll then be directed to a Google sign-in page. Here, choose the Google account you wish to link with Helium 10. Make sure that the Google account you select is one that you can easily monitor, as Helium 10 will use this for any important updates or reminders. Once you've selected your account, click Continue. You'll reach a short onboarding sequence designed to personalize your Helium 10 experience. The first question asks which statement best describes you. For this demonstration, let's choose Not Yet Selling. You're not yet selling online, but exploring your options. This is perfect if you're just getting started. After making the selection, click on Next. The platform will now inquire about which e-commerce marketplaces you're interested in. Choose accordingly, keeping your business plans in mind, and then click Next once again. Next, you're asked about how you're planning to source and sell your products. Here, select Wholesale Resell. You sell products from other manufacturers or existing brands. Again, you'll click Next after making your selection. Now on to goals with Helium 10. Choose Learn how to sell online, e.g. Amazon, if your primary aim is to educate yourself with industry tricks and tips. The subsequent prompt offers to remind you later of additional tools or resources. Choose Remind Me Later to move forward swiftly without these pop-ups interrupting your setup. Finally, you may see an option for trial offers or upgrades. If you're not ready for this commitment, simply select Not Right Now. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Helium 10 account, ready to explore a vast suite of tools tailored for both budding and seasoned online entrepreneurs. Feel free to delve into the resources available and start crafting your e-commerce strategy. Happy selling!